Come on, cars, what the fuck? You're wasting GoPro battery here. Send it! Send it! Oh shit! It's rough right, oh, it's rough right there. Put around. You ready to do some hooligan shit? Watch out for them tree stumps. That black guy back there's looking at us like, what the fuck are they? Oh, can we cut over there? Look to the left. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, hooligan day today, boy.
Oh yeah, way better, way better.
These people. Dude, our best section is over there by the church. You want to go down there? We got to do the same shit we just did. Here, we'll come down here. Ah, dude, that's on the other side of the road. Pick your line. Whoa, yeah, boy. Dude, that's fun. Car right there. Oh yeah, nice little jump. Urban riding, son. Oh god, this is soft right here. Holy shit! Oh damn, it's going. Oh, the mud already. Look at the mud, dude. Don't say no trespassing. It just says towing. See no signs. Jump. go down to here? And under the tollway, trying to find some trails. Where's that fucking road that goes to that? Huh? You got hay? Oh, he said I got alpha stuck in my chain. He's got hay. I got, yeah, all that fucking hay. You get it out? Which way you want it? Let's go this way towards the road right here. You go this way? Plywood? Let's hit it, boy! Yeah, boy! What is that, little man? Oh, it says no trespassing right there. There ain't no way for me to turn around now on this hill. Yeah, come on with it. There's, oh, this water. Oh my God, there is a deer feeder. Yeah. This is definitely somebody's property. Yeah, it might not be a good idea. We might get shot. Oh, there's a camera on the fucking tree right there at the deer blind. Yeah, I see it. I ain't getting shot today. I'm riding with one leg off trying to balance on this. Sliding out. Oh, don't turn. Dude, I slid that last like 15 feet right there. I thought you were going to turn. I was like, oh, this might be a jump. Right here. Thought it was going to be. Urban riding, baby. Urban riding. Oh shit, there's a ditch right there. These big ass fucking hills over here, dude. What's up? That's over this hill. Oh, that's the main highway. I'm coming back down. Whoa, whoa. Hell yeah, it is. Oh, I got to jump for you, Toner. Oh, shit. There's a jump right here. When you come down this hill right here. Oh, shit. I got just my regular tools, 10, 11, and a 12, and 2 Allen keys. Whoa! I got in the jump. It's right here. Dude, it's just your mirror. You can hand tie your knot. Bring it over here, bitch. Get over here. I'll tighten that bitch. Bring it. Oh, now it's. Yeah, got you. Hurry up. Bring. Oh, now it's. Yeah, got you. Hurry up. Bring it over here. I got tools. Damn, why your shit gotta break right when we're trying to have fun? Watch this one. This one? Yeah. I think I can get more. Hold on. Whoa! Damn, how was that one? To the right of it is the one we hit. No, bitch, this one right here. This is the one we were doing. God, you have no sense of direction, bitch. Let's see the double, bitch. Let's see the double. Let's see this. Let's see this. Oh, nice. Were you in second gear? Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, damn! Oh, my butt hit! Ow! Woo, I was standing up, bitch! I launched higher on that one! Holy shit! Woo, dude, the suspension, it like almost bottoms out. It don't like... When you hit, bro, you hit hard. Oh, you just barely cleared it. Dude, if the rally wasn't so heavy, it'd be a better bike. Oh, you just barely cleared it. Pootie Tang Little Man is ready. Hit it, Toner.